In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the self-update request feature in Fluoro to allow your people to update their own details and contact information. So first off, I've gone to people and then contacts, and I'm just looking at all the members, and I'm going to select myself and maybe a few others down here. And then you can see on the right-hand side in the action cart where it says 4 contacts selected, just at the bottom of the actions list, you can see it says send update request. Now if I click that, I can write a subject and a message for the email that's going to go out, including using tokens, and I can personalize that message if I need to. But basically, if I hit send, that's going to send an email that looks something like this to each of those contacts, allowing them to click this button and get to the foyer where they can update their own details. So here you can see you can update your own family household information. You can also look at the other members in your household and update maybe your kids or dependents information as well. You might have someone who no longer lives with you, so you can tap that person and then just click this person doesn't live in my household. And it also allows them to let you know that they don't attend or have any relationship with you anymore. So that's helpful for you to keep your database clean. If they no longer attend, they can archive. And I'm just going to hit save. And then if we go back in here, we go back to our home page, we should see that recorded information that I've updated someone's information via the foyer. And you can also run reactions and automated triggers based on foyer updates, but that's basically as easy as it can be.